Good morning, guys. Pedro here with another live stream. So Tuesday morning. Want to welcome you guys to the channel, to the family. If you're new guys, we do Forex trading. So make sure you guys join the tribe, join the family. Hit that notification bell. We do come live every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So if you're looking to take your trading to whole new levels, you're looking to expand your knowledge, you're looking for a change, come to the right place. Let's get it, guys. We're about to begin shortly. Thank you so much for your patience, guys. Appreciate you all. Just give me a few minutes as I do get all the video description settings set up. We will begin this live stream shortly. So thank you so much, guys. Look forward to hosting you guys today. We'll look forward to killing the markets. We've got a GBP US trade lining up live in the flesh. In the flesh, man. In the flesh. If you guys enjoy these live streams, do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Let's get it. Welcome, welcome. As we get more and more people joining us, guys, we're just going to begin shortly. So thank you so much.
We could keep managing the
Yes, welcome, Adam. Welcome. All right, guys, we're going to begin shortly. Just as we get started, guys. Before we do, smash that like button if you guys are ready to start this live stream. Do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button for me. Let's go. Who's ready to get started? Who's ready to kill these markets? We are looking at GBP, US, looking for buy setups as it sits. All right, guys, 4 hours bullish. We got a rejection of that zone, which was something I wanted to look for and I was looking for. We got a break above this range, which was something you can see I had buy setups above this level of structure, which we did, and we got price to retest here, even on the 30-minute, 15-minute. So this is some good clean buy setups. Ideally, good entries down here because then we minimize our risk as much as possible. Getting in here is kind of a little bit risky. There's about 33 pips. Even if we set our stops like just below here, it's 20 pip stop. So, I mean, it is a little bit risky, but this is kind of a pair that I'm seeing that price could still push to the upside. Mind you, price actually could come back down one more time before it pushes to the upside. So that is something we do have to be aware of and just keep an eye out, right? So something I'm looking at, guys, for GBP US. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys. We got a couple more people joining us, joining the family. Let's get it, guys. Let's go, let's go. All right, so that's kind of what we're looking at for GBP. Gold, we're looking at potential buy setups. Good thing is we didn't get on this continuation of the sell. It was something I was eyeing, so I mentioned that price would break below, and I wanted to see a rejection of this level. We did get a slight rejection, but then price pushed back up. So now we're above this level of structure. So to me, this indicates that price could be pushing higher, but move it back up here. Yeah, so 4 hours looking mad bullish. Looking for potential gold buys right now, guys. 1 hour is looking bullish. 30-minute, 15. We're at this key level over here. Had a clean break and retest. Target these highs over here. In a 45 pip move. Easily put like a 25 pip stop. All right, guys. So we're looking. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're looking for gold buys at this point. Obviously, ideal entry would have been down below here, this level here, this candle wick here, but we did get a closure on previous candles. So I would say it's kind of what I'm looking at. Obviously, manage your risk. Don't overtrade. All right, guys, we're looking at some buy setups for gold. We are targeting short term. I would say at least this level area here, probably around over here. Even 38 pip move. TP2 above these highs over here, so about like 51 pips. Welcome, 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 guys. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple new members joining us, guys. Welcome. All right, guys, so it looks like we are in profits right now. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us, guys. Bold buys. Let's get it. Welcome to the family, guys. Let's get it. You guys enjoy these explanations, smash that like button. If you're understanding it, smash that like button for me. Let's go. All right, guys, so while we wait for gold to do its thing, we will shift over to different pairs and see if there's any sort of movement happening. So let's take a look at USD JPY. We know that we were in a range. And remember I told you guys that I felt like the overall sentiment was just bearish. I felt like, you know, just overall, just the sentiment was bearish. I didn't see any bullish momentum happening here. And it's just kind of like in a range, but I don't even see it going up and down within the range. So it was just giving me an overall sentiment, just bearish sentiment overall. So just giving me an indication that price most likely will come back down and retest these lows before even coming back up, which is good because it's just telling us that price is just there's no bulls in the market right now. It's just mainly the bears, right? So just gotta wait and see if we get a break below. That's what we want to see. We want to see a nice clean break below this level of structure. Excuse me, for a continuation to the downside. Obviously, we have news at 8:30. Something to keep on the lookout, guys. We do have news at 8:30 for US. Some US CPI news. That's something to keep an eye out, guys. So that will affect the market. And so that could probably be that push that we need for further continuation to the downside temporarily. So obviously, like I mentioned to you guys, I temporarily believe that short-term wise, USD JPY has still a little bit more juice to push to these levels over here. That's what I feel, that it's got a little bit more potential to come down below here. Mind you, price could come back down here and kind of like push back up and continue to push higher, right? Price could do anything at any given time. We just have to analyze the markets and see what the market is currently telling us. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way. Like I said, I just need to see price break below this level of structure, and we're looking for clean sells. GJ, we're still ranging, guys. We are still ranging on GJ. Again, I was expecting a break below, retest, and a continuation, but it seems like it's just holding this level of structure here within this ranging area. Even if I go down to the 30-minute or 15-minute, we're just stuck in this range. So see how important it is to call out these, you know, areas in the market where price is just ranging. You're not really able to trade this, guys. This is really choppy. You can usually trade like the top of the ranges or the bottom of the ranges, but you just have to be aware, like it's not going to be your ideal market condition that you want to be trading in, right? Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Let's go. Let's go. If you guys enjoyed that explanation, you understand that, smash that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate y'all for joining. 7 a.m., 7:02 a.m. Got the black tea. You know you need that black tea. Get you going, pushing through. Welcome, welcome. Guys, don't be shy. Feel free to comment in the chat box. That's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to support you guys. I'm here to motivate you guys. Man, I just want to also let you know I'm here to motivate you. I'm not here to just teach you lessons here, guys. I'm here to motivate you, the discipline. I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, guys. 6:30 a.m. You know what it takes to edit, publish content, and be here consistently every single day in the mornings. Wake up at 6 a.m. every single day. And even at night times too, guys. I come in the night times. Obviously, you guys know that committed wise, I'm always here in the mornings for sure. I'm always here Monday to Friday, 6 a.m., 6:30. But what about like after hours too? Like I do try to come. Like I was on last night as well too to try and help you guys out, you know? So yeah. So that's you know what I mean? It's all about being committed. The same thing with trading, guys. You need to be committed into what you're looking at, right? And remember, if the markets does not have anything to give, do not force trades, guys. I'm telling you, you will lose. You will lose money if you force yourself into a trade. You don't want that. Right? So anyways, guys, look at our gold trade. We are completely destroying this TP. Currently up. We are currently up. We are currently up. We are currently up. 20 pips, guys. Let's go. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Clean analysis in the flesh. You guys saw me point this out in the live stream. You guys see it? It's going in our direction, in our favor, which is awesome. Buy setups above this level of structure. What did I see? No problem. What I saw was obviously price failed to break, continue to break. So price broke below this level of structure, by the way, but it failed to continue to hold this level of structure, which price can do. So it kind of essentially on the higher time frames, this will look like just a fake out essentially. So price failed to continue to hold or respect this level. So it just broke below it, faked it out, and then came back in, right? On the higher time frames, it'll look like a fake out for sure. And so we wanted to see when price was coming back up to retest, we wanted to see rejection. Unfortunately, we didn't get the rejection we wanted to, but that's fine. Then we saw a continuation. We saw a strong momentum push to the upside right after retesting this level here. And then we saw a nice clean pullback. When I saw the pullback, I woke up this morning, saw this candle already formed. This one was starting to form here. So obviously this would have been the ideal time to get in, probably around 6 a.m. to be honest. But yeah, anyway, so we got that nice clean push to the upside and we got a nice clean to the upside. We got a pullback, and on that pullback, that's that retracement that we wanted. Price retested this level of structure as support and held this level of support. So when this candle was forming over here, I was like, guys, this candle closed bullish. I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. To be completely honest with you, my first target level will be this level around here. So it won't be all the way to the top, but it'll probably be around this level area here, because I do see price coming over here. And you can see even here, it's a little bit busy where it's currently touching right now. Over here as well, level support, resistance. So yeah, so it is a level that we just got to keep an eye out over here. And then if we pass this level and we still get a push to the upside, then I'm looking to target these levels over here. Anyway, so we'll keep an eye out on that, guys, in terms of gold. Yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at, guys. Welcome. Couple more people joining. Let's go. Welcome to the family here. Suraj, hope CPI news is bullish for the markets. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Bullish or bearish, we will take advantage of the markets. We will be able to leverage that to our advantage. So yeah, let's go. Get those allergies in the mornings, guys. You guys understanding that explanation on gold? If you guys understood that explanation on gold, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Clean gold setup, as you guys saw. Gold is already 20 pips in our favor. Anyway, so yeah, so we'll get back to gold. We'll look at a couple other pairs and see kind of what price is currently doing. So GBP odd 15-minute looking hella bearish. Let's look at the 30 1 hour. Okay. So let me just emphasize on this. It seems like we are at the bottom of this range here for GBP odd. But for some reason, it seems to me that it just wants to retest this lower level here. One more time down here. So if that's the case, the 4 hours looking really bearish. Let's look at the 1 hour. We are at a level of support. Wouldn't want to sell this level of support just because it is a level of support. So you do have to keep that in mind. But there's a pretty solid chance that it might not hold this level of support, fail to hold this level of support, and then come back down and retest these lows. That could be a possibility. And we're talking about a 46 pip range. All right. GBP CAD. GBP US. Yeah, it seems like it's holding this level of support. We could be getting a break above this level of structure. We are looking at a 33 pip. We're risking 20. Again, I mean, it's not the idealist setup. It's not the cleanest, but something to consider. Price is testing these highs once more on the 4 hour, 1 hour. We could see a rejection of this level. Yeah, so we're looking at price on the daily, Euro US. Dependent on what news we get, we could get a continuation to the upside. Keep that in mind, guys, a continuation to the upside. Probably retest this level of structure here. Okay, something to keep in mind because the daily does look pretty bullish. 4 hour, I mean, we are at this level of structure. Could get a double top, but it really depends. If we fail to hold this level of structure and price continues to push higher, then I think the bullish news will give it the nut juice to push to the upside. So we'll see. That's kind of what I'm expecting for Euro US. I'm not really looking for any bearish setups yet. Yes, welcome, guys. Welcome. Couple new members joining the family, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's get it. All right, guys. Don't be shy, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat box. That's what we're here for. That's why we come in live every single day, Monday through Friday, here to help and support you guys. Provide as much value as possible. That's what I'm here for, guys. All right, so that's what we were looking at for. Let's take a look at gold and how our gold trade's going. Nice, nice. Take a look at our gold trade, guys. We are already in pretty heavy profits, 26 pips. Let's go. Gold trade is going really well. Guys, we took this trade in the flesh, so if you missed out, guys, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you guys join that family. Hit that little notification bell. You guys missed out on this gold trade because I called it out live in the flesh here in the live stream. The team's always winning here, man. The team is always winning. Welcome, welcome. Couple new members, new family members joining the family, la familia. Let's go, let's go. Welcome, guys, welcome. Yes, guys, as you guys could see, I literally told you this morning at the beginning of this live stream, guys, this is what I'm looking at. All right, trade with caution, you know, manage your risk. Right, it's really important, but I already saw something and then I got in. Guys, if you enjoyed that explanation on gold, do me a huge solid and like that button. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. You guys are ready to kill the markets. You guys saw this gold buy setup. We killed it in the flesh. Live, guys. Live. We were able to catch this awesome trade. All right, so we're going to continue and see. So USDJPY, as you guys know, I told you guys that I'm not seeing any bearish sentiment. So at any given time, we could probably see a bearish move happen. So we do have to keep an eye out on USDJPY, but overall it's looking super, super bearish to me. We could see just a straight continuation after the news to the downside, and that's what we will want. But for all we know, excuse me, price could just rebound here and the news could be bullish. So we don't know yet, guys. We'll keep an eye out on the news and kind of go from there and monitor price and see what price does. So we've got Adam here. He says, I like. Awesome, bro. Appreciate it, man. You guys understanding the setup? Let me know if you guys are understanding this setup. I've explained to you guys over kind of what I'm expecting for all gold and okay, so GBP US trade that I told you guys this morning as well. Okay, so we got that rejection here. We're on the 15-minute chart. We are getting that push to the upside. Let's go, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Let's get it, guys. 30-minute. Yeah, so 30-minute, we're getting that nice clean rejection. Okay. That's what we want to see. We want to see this candle close for a continuation to the upside. Price could pull back, mind you. We got to be aware of that. But we are getting that. Look at that wick rejection candle right there. Look at all that wick space here. The price rejected this level. So that to me is indicating that price still wants to push to the upside. So we'll keep an eye out on GBP US and see what happens. We also have to keep in mind the news is coming out too. So let's take a look at Euro US. Okay, so we are somewhat at a major level of structure here. One sec. All right, sorry guys. Allergies are super fun. 8:30, yeah, so 8:30, that's the only really major news that we have. Yeah. 4 hour. Yeah, so we've been, if we fail to create a new higher high at this level of structure, we could see that this level is quite significant. So if we get a fail and the next candle looks bearish, and it kind of engulfs the previous candle, then I'm looking at a double top formation and price to come back down and retest these lows here. And between this area here, this range, we've got quite the movement. So yeah, so we're talking about 130 pips. Just literally price just pulling back if it were to be a double top. So lots of move, like we could literally narrow it down once we get that confirmation. Look, like we have so much potential to trade price down if that is the case. This was a clean double top. You can see it. Right now, to me, this is just kind of slight choppiness, not like the market's just not, there's no volume, right? So it's just kind of there. So that's my overall thoughts on Euro USD. But again, obviously, we are expecting US news. So I guess that's probably why that's something that we do have to kind of just be very cautious of, guys. So keep that in mind. Let's go, guys. If you guys understood that explanation on Euro USD, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Appreciate it. Got a couple new members joining the family as well as we continue to do our live stream. We will be monitoring these setups, guys. Let's continue here. Euro JPY, let's look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour, I'm looking at buy setups above this level of structure, but it seems like price is actually holding this level of support. You see that here? So it seems like it is holding this level of support. The 4 hour, by the way, daily. Yeah, so if it is holding this level of support, here's my overall take on it. This price also did come down below here and it rejected it. You can see it here with this candle here. See how price came down and then held this support because of this level of structure here. This is previous resistance becoming future support. I have a feeling price is going to come back up and retest this level here before we see any continuation. So for Euro JPY, I'm expecting, we're on 30-minute now, a breakout to the upside. Price kind of looks like a double bottom here, guys, on the 30-minute. Even on the 1 hour, looks like a double bottom. We are at this neckline for the double bottom formation, so we could even take buy setup here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Target these highs over here. We're talking about an 84 pip move. Set our stops just below here, so we're talking about a 20. We could even risk it nicely. That's proper management right there. 20 pip stops. Get in here on a buy setup. Look at that risk reward. 4.1 risk reward ratio. 84 pip gain for you're just risking 20 pips. What do you guys think of that? Let me know. What do you think of that trade setup there for Euro JPY? Clean, guys. Clean. I'm telling you, clean. Let me know in the chat box, guys. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. We're here to learn and help. I'm here to help you guys grow in your trading. You guys understanding that trade setup? Let me know in the chat box below. You like? Let's go. It's kind of what I'm seeing right now, guys, for Euro JPY. Can we enter EJ? Let's take a look. Yeah. We could look for a. Let's take a look here. Let's see for Euro JPY. Because here's the thing with Euro JPY. What I want to see with Euro JPY is hold this level of support because price is kind of pulling back here, even on the 15-minute, right? It's rejecting this level of resistance here. So the next level of support for Euro JPY is this level here. So if price happens to come to this level here, I want to see price hold this level of support, right? So I want to see some sort of a little bit more rejection, and then we can kind of get in. So I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll let you know in the Telegram group. Okay, guys? Okay, so Euro JPY, do you see how it's pushing down? So obviously it's this level of resistance here. So what we want to see is price to come back down to this level of structure. This level over here. And I want to see rejection of this level of structure. If we get a rejection, then we'll see a continuation to the upside. And then we can kind of go from there, potentially, right? But if we get a break below this level of support here, then we could see price come back down here and retest once more. I don't feel that's going to happen, but again, it could be a possibility. So that's why I haven't gotten in yet, but I'll keep you guys in the loop. So if you guys are new or you haven't, or you're just joining us, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I'm live. But also, guys, make sure you're also in our Telegram because that's how you're going to be able to know when we get into trades or not. Let's go. Vivi, morning Kunis. Appreciate you. One of my biggest supporters. Okay, so yeah, so that's something to keep an eye out. So we will keep an eye out, don't worry, on EuroJPY. I'll let you guys know when the right entry is. I don't feel that right entry is just yet. But remember, we're kind of like forming this double bottom within this level of support on the 1 hour. So this to me is a strong indication that, hey, you know what? Price is respecting this level of structure over here. You can see that price is holding this level of support. You can see the double bottom formation here. If we get price break all the way below here, then it invalidates the double bottom formation. Then I'm just going to see price continue to rig, right? But if we are able to hold this level of support, price is kind of wicking down here, and we see price reject this level here, the smaller support area, then we'll probably retest these highs once more, and we'll hopefully see a break. Once we start seeing a break and close, then we can risk it a little bit and get in. Because even then it's still somewhat of a good entry. We could take the entry down here, but again, it's totally a more aggressive entry. So I don't want you guys to get in something too early, if we're not fully 100%. Also, you can see that this is if we go down to the up to the the daily, this is a level of significance here. You can see that price has rejected this level multiple times. Obviously, we are coming to a key level above here, but it seems like price wants to retest this level once more, which is totally fine. That does happen sometimes, so something to keep in mind. I feel that's what we're dealing with right now on EuroJPY. Yeah, we'll see. See what happens. That's why I want to keep it here. So this will be a good potential trade setup. And I'll keep you guys in the loop, all right? Remember, guys, quality over quantity. We don't want to just hop into trades. We want to be patient with our analysis. If you guys understood that explanation, throw me a like button. Smash that like button for me. If you enjoyed that explanation, you understood it, guys. Also, if you have any questions, don't be shy. Comment in the chat box below. All right, so we were waiting for a rejection of this level. Wait for rejection of this level for short setup. All right. So I'll let you guys know what I'm looking at here, to be honest. This looks like a descending excuse me, a descending triangle here forming. So this looks like sells to me. Narrow it down to the 15. We got a close. Now price is breaking below. This is looking like a nice clean sell. Set our targets above this level structure. We could do like a nice tight stop loss, like 15 pips. Where are we gonna target here? Yeah, 33 pips. All right, guys. Add JPY sell. Manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk. Please manage your risk, guys. CAD JPY shorts. CAD JPY is shorts, guys. Let's go. All the information, stop loss is 109,646. TP, we're probably going to monitor to this level around here. So this area over here, 109,160. That's kind of our main TP level. We'll probably see a move like this. All right, our entry was 109, 489. Targets. If you guys got in a little bit late, do not get in, guys. Please. 15 pips. We are getting a little bit on an aggressive entry here, but to be honest with you guys, I do see price continuing to break below. It seems like this was a level of respect. Guys, we are live right now. I'm going over this trade currently on our live stream, so I will be explaining kind of what I saw. It is a descending triangle formation. So we failed to break or hold. We failed to hold this level of structure, and so price broke below. Obviously, there's a chance for a fake out, so we just have to monitor, manage your risk. Please, guys, always manage your risk. But I'm seeing a continuation, potential continuation to the downside. We are looking at the 30 minutes, so keep that in mind, guys. Please manage your risk. Thanks so much. All right, guys. So we'll let this trade run. Don't worry if price starts pulling back. That's not a problem. That's normal. Again, we do have to keep in mind that it could be faking out, similar to this area over here. But overall sentiment to me is looking super bearish. We've come to kind of this lower end of this descending wedge, and price has rejected this level multiple times, right? And so what I'm seeing here is we keep getting less and less bears, bulls in the market, right? So there's more bears pushing the price down and lower and lower and lower. So again, our stop loss, just in case if we want, we could kind of move it to 20 pips, which is more than fair. And then that way we just, if anything, if it wicks us out a little bit and it comes back down, then we're good. That could be a possibility. But overall, I'm expecting price to continue to break below. You just got to manage your risk always, guys. Manage your risk, please. Just if it happens to not go in our direction, we also have to be careful of that too. So we've got Adam. Thank you. Bye. Thanks, Adam. Thanks for joining. Yeah, we're also, if you notice too, guys, so even if we have our stop loss a little bit higher, also if you notice we're at a double top here on the 4 hours. This is actually quite significant. Pretty good trade setup actually forming. But we just might get price to kind of wick us out a little bit. So just keep that in mind. We just got to hold it through. If we see price come back up, we might be able to get back in. But overall, in the bigger picture, the 4 hour, we've got a double top formation here. You could see it clear as day. We've got the first top here, the second top here. Price has rejected this level. So, yeah. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We'll let this thing do its thing. Let's take a look at, well, USD JPY. We got to be careful because there will be news. 30 minutes. Price was ranging for a bit. Then we got a break below. Okay. So we saw a pullback. Even here on the 15, 30 minute, we saw a pullback. Okay. Price is rejecting that pullback level. Okay. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours bearish. We failed to hold this level of support. So now we're looking for sells as well. But with USD CAD, we want to stay out until we hear the news. Overall, USD CAD overall bias is sells for me. So we'll keep an eye out on that as well. All right, a couple more people joining the family. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate you guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. We do go live every single time, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. We're here to help you guys. So if you have any questions, guys, comment in the chat box below if you have any questions for me. We are currently looking at the CAD JPY sells. Gold trade went in our favor as well. We took a nice winning gold trade today. You guys could see here in the flesh. If you guys missed out on this trade, well, make sure you guys join the family and don't miss out on the next trades that we take live in the flesh, guys. Our gold trade went exactly as predicted. We were able to catch a good amount of pips, about 40 pips. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Appreciate y'all. Let's go. Guys, if you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level, smash that like button. Destroy that like button for me. Also, comment below, guys, if you are looking at a specific pair or you want me to cover any specific pair or kind of analyze anything. Let me know. Let me know in the chat box below. Don't be shy, guys. I'm going to be leaving shortly, and I'll keep you guys posted through the our Telegram group. But before I leave, let me know if there's anything you guys are looking at, like me to go over. US 30 is just consolidating. It's just ranging. It's stuck. No volume. Gold. You guys did take that gold trade with us. I would take your profits. I'll take 80% of your profits now. Good trade today, guys. Awesome trade turnout, guys, we had for gold. All right, guys, that's good. That I don't think I called out for sure. This was kind of what I was looking at. So if you did get into GBP US, this pair there's no volume, so I would probably just get out. We didn't lose, which is good because our entry was down here. I didn't personally get in on this one. I did get on the gold and the CAD JPY. So those two trades we took, I did get in, but I didn't get in on this one. So I didn't give you guys that green light yet. But if you did happen to get in, don't worry, you're still in profit. I would just take my profits and run. We're about 8 pips now. We reached about 14 pips. So not a huge move. Not what we'd like to see. So market's condition is not the condition I want to see. So get out of that. Siraj, we've got US 30. Let's take a look at US 30. Siraj. Yeah, like I told you guys, US 30 right now, we're just kind of stuck. We are, however, breaking above this level of resistance. Remember, I kind of mentioned I want to see a rejection of this level for a potential continuation to the downside. But it seems like we are breaking above it. We do have to keep in mind that this area here that I have highlighted, US 30 could create some sort of a fake out and then push back down. So we just got to keep an eye out on that and monitor as we go. But this is the daily candle, and we've got a strong push on the daily. So it'd be a continuation. 4 hour also looking bullish. 1 hour looking pretty bullish as well. So we could see a continuation to the upside. We could expect some sort of a short-term pullback within here, within the 1 hour time frame, and then a continuation to the upside. So it's kind of what we could expect for US 30. Because, however, yeah, so we are breaking above this level structure as we speak. So, however, we do have to be very cautious, guys, because this is a level of resistance as well here. So, something to keep in mind, guys. You guys understood that? If you guys understood that explanation, smash that like button for me. Let's go. All right. Chat then here, GBP USD. All right, I hope that was good, Shiraj. You're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome, guys. Couple new members joining the family. Let's take a look at GBP US. I believe we already kind of went over that trade, but we will take a look here. Gold trade that we took here in the live stream, guys. I can't believe it. You guys saw it. If you guys got in, we were able to catch some nice pips live in the flesh, guys. So super excited, guys. If you want to trade trades like these, we are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So join the family if you haven't already. Let's get it. And I'm out of water, guys. I didn't even take my my matcha tea this morning, so I'm a little disappointed. I'm like, I need my matcha tea, guys. I need that energy, you know what I mean? That energy to keep pushing on the markets, you know what I mean? So, anyways, so yes, so let's take a look. GBP US. So we knew what pound, yen. Excuse me, yeah. So GBP US, like I told you guys, it's looking choppy. So just get out of this trade completely. It's good because we didn't lose any money if you did get in on this trade, but it's just too choppy for me. It's not, excuse me, it's not the ideal market condition I want to be trading in. It seems like GBP US still has potential. It still has a lot of juice to come up to this high over here. But the problem is we do have US news coming up. So probably that US news is what's going to push it to that level potentially. But we also could get a full break below, right? So we don't know. Depending on what news we get for the US, then we'll be able to know kind of how to approach any US pairs right now. So that's kind of what I'm expecting with GBP US. Now, however, we did get a break above this ranging area. Remember, I told you guys we're stuck in this range. We're looking for a breakout. We got the breakout. What did we get? A pullback to this level of structure, and then we pushed above. So yes, like there was some pip movement, but overall, we missed the move here, and we could expect a continuation, but overall these candles are not looking as promising. So I don't advise getting in anything right now for GBP US. Hope you guys understood that explanation. If you did, guys, smash that like button. If you didn't understand that explanation on GBP US, let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome to La Familia. If it's your first time here, guys, my name is Pedro, and we do Forex trading, live, price action. We focus on market structure, and I'm here to teach you guys and provide as much value. That's why I'm here, guys. I'm here to support you guys. Also, I'm not here to just teach you guys what I'm looking at in the markets and how to trade the markets, but also how to be successful in the markets, how to look, but also your trade psychology and just overall your mindset. That's really, really important, guys, because that's what really took me to the next level in my trading journey was mindset. Mindset's really important, guys, when you approach the markets. Welcome, guys. Couple new family members just joining us. Welcome to the family, guys. Welcome. Mindset's huge, guys. You got to make sure that your mind is straight and that you're disciplined, right? You have to take trading as essentially not a business, but you have to take, essentially, I guess a business is a good example. Like you have to take it as, okay, this is my kind of thing, right? This is my main focus, you know what I mean? So you got to treat it the way it should be, you know what I mean? But if you come into trading hoping that you're just going to flip an account, you're going to double your account in like 2 days, then that's the wrong mentality to enter trading, right? So it's crucial to be able to look at the markets, be patient, understand that there's always going to be opportunities, right? Problem is, one of the biggest mistakes is that people think they FOMO, right? They're like, oh man, I'm going to miss out this opportunity. I got to get in right now. And they probably buy at the tops and then they sell at the lows, right? So you always have to kind of be patient and understand the market's always going to have opportunities, guys, okay? The market will always give you opportunities, so don't feel bad if you miss out on an opportunity because price will come around, right? So Yeah, that gold trade looks awesome, guys. So like I said, I hope you guys took your TPs, your take profits, guys. Nice clean trade we just took here on the live today. So congrats, guys, if you guys got into this buy setup that we took this morning on our live stream. Let's go, let's go. Guys, don't be shy to comment in the chat box. You do have me here, guys. So you have any questions, or you're just starting out, guys, or you're new, don't be afraid or don't be shy to ask questions, guys. That's what we're here for. It's funny I say we because I don't know. I guess I feel I have the support from you guys, but yeah. So feel free to ask questions, guys. We were able to profit nicely on gold, and but anyways, yeah. Good trading day today, guys. We killed it. Good trading day, guys. We killed it. We killed it. Okay, so we've got Siraj here. Good trading, traders. We'll see you tomorrow. Yes. Yes. Yeah, US30, we're looking for a short-term pullback and then a potential continuation to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for US30. All right, guys. So let's continue here. So we've got a couple comments here. Isaac, welcome, Isaac. Not sure if you're part of the family, but welcome. CPI, we got a couple more comments here. So we've got CPI data good. About for indices. I mean, yes and no. The thing is, like, the influence really depends on how bad it is. So like if the news is like really, really bad, like let's say like for example, like they report, yeah, like people like, you know, inflation's getting higher and stuff like that, then yes, it will impact it potentially, but not as much, I guess you could say, as pairs that are linked to like US, right? So like GBP US, USD JPY, right? These are pairs that we do analyze over and over and over. So okay, so let's continue. I've got a couple comments adding up here. So, hey, Pedro, we've got Amir. Amir, welcome. So what is your thoughts on CPI news that is coming up? I see you continuing to look bearish long term. So just wanted to hear your thoughts on. Yeah, so here's my thoughts, to be honest, with USD JPY. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the live stream, we are seeing that overall bearish sentiment. Actually, you know what? Let's kind of pull it up. We are seeing that overall bearish sentiment form here on USD JPY. If we look at the higher time frames, guys, USD JPY has been trending bullish, but not only that, we are at our fifth push pretty much here, trending upwards. So we had the first push over here, okay? We had a nice trending momentum here. So we got like the Elliott wave kind of formation here. So we got one pullback, two pullback, three pullback, okay? So not only that, we're kind of at this fifth push. And so now price is starting to exhaust. You can see that in the past it has exhausted as well. So that's typically normal Obviously, this is the daily, so yes, we are bearish, as I've mentioned previously in the live stream. So that's good. Your overall outlook is good. But what I want to see short term, obviously, so that we can get a clean entry and stuff like that. Even if we look at the 4 hour, right? 4 hours looking bearish, but we are coming to this level of support. You can see that price has respected this level here in the past. So I want to see this level break before I get in, because that break of structure will give me that confirmation of bearishness. And so if I get on a sell here and price continues to go up and pushes back up in this range, then we're screwed. We just lost a trade. And that's fine. As long as we're managing risk, we're good. But what I'm saying is I'm trying to avoid that. So being a little bit more conservative and be like, okay, let's wait for a break of structure, break of this level of support, and let's wait for the pullback, right? Once we start seeing some sort of a pullback, come back up to this level, and now we start using this level as opposed to support, we're using as a level of resistance, then we can get on a clean entry here, okay? Let me just narrow it down to the 1 hour for sells on USD JPY. So dependent on how the news is, if the news is bearish, like let's say inflation's back to being higher or unemployment rate or whatever, like let's say like just overall outlook is bad, right? Because it's important to know the news and stuff like that, but I'm looking at it technically, remember that too, right? Because news is really important. We do have to watch out for news, but I don't typically, the fundamentals is good to be aware of, right? I focus on the technicals, right? So if we see that, then we could see basically what I had pointed out here. Do you see the arrows here? Do you see how I had that already kind of panned out? So I break of structure, a pullback, and then a continuation to the downside, right? So lots of good potential trades that we could look at in the 15 and 30 minute as time goes by, but we need to see what happens or what results we get for US news. So something to keep an eye out, guys. I hope you guys understood that as well. Eddie, hey, just requested you on Instagram to be able to tag you. Eddie, I believe I even added you back, so I'll look at that for you. Don't worry, we'll take a look at that. Absolutely, man. Welcome as well, Eddie. And then Isaac. So if the numbers are the same or less than 8.5, US 30 is going up. Potentially, yeah. So US 30, actually, you know what? And good that you're mentioning that. So US 30, yes, I am looking at potential bullishness on US 30. So you're correct. But obviously, like again, right? Like I look at the markets technically. So you have to be very careful, right? Because I don't trade news. I try to stay away from news. I wait until after because there's a lot of risk involved when you trade with the news, and you could get burned pretty badly. So I like to see kind of the aftermath and be like, okay, this is what price did. Okay, the news was bullish, so this is how it affected price. Now, where's the market going now? What is the market telling us, right? The market is always telling us a story. Each candlestick that we see has a story, right? Has a past, present, and future. So that's something to keep in mind. But if you see my technicals, right, it's already kind of looking like it's going to be potentially bullish anyways, right? Because it seems like we have broken above this level of structure anyways. Could be a fake out, which I have mentioned that as well. It could be a fake out and then a continuation to go to the downside. But overall, it seems like we're already closing 4 hour. We've already closed basically the second candle already, pretty much going to be closing above this level of structure. So we just got to monitor it. I'm not really in a US 30 trade just yet. So I would stay out, guys, with US 30 yet. If we do see a pullback, we're back on the 15 here. Let's go up to the 30 actually. So if we see a pullback to this level and we see price respect this level here and we start seeing a rejection and of this level here and we start seeing price reject this level, then we can start looking for buys. All right. All right. So did you guys understand that? Let me know if you guys understood that explanation, guys. If you did, give me a nice like button there, guys. Smash that like button if you understood it. US 30, that's kind of what we're expecting. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Couple new members joining the family, guys. Yes, our gold trade we took this morning, we killed our TP on gold, which was awesome. We're already out of this trade, but really, really nice turnout. We caught about 40 pips. Yeah, really, really nice turnout for gold. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, see, price is starting to react already. See how price is already starting to pull back, and it's just touched this level. So again, you can't be getting in on sells right now just because you see overall bearish sentiment. You have to be very, very careful. Wait for confirmation. Wait for a strong momentum push to the downside, guys. This is crucial. This is what's going to help you have a much, much cleaner win ratio. So you just have to be very, very cautious, guys. Seems like we did get that pushback to the downside, break of structure. Now we're just getting some sort of a pullback. This is good because it seems like if I take this out of the way, it seems like price is not already pushing above. So if you look at the past, price would automatically reject and come back up. Price would automatically reject and come back up, and price is kind of struggling to push back up. So what we just need to see is price hold this level of resistance, and then we can expect a nice clean continuation to the downside. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, but again, always manage your risk, guys. And technically, if you look at it, guys, so we're at 20 pips, so we had it at 15 pip stop loss. Even if you moved it to 20 pips, still a good risk reward ratio. Like, it's not really you're not really, as long as you manage your risk, you should be good, right? And this is good because price is moving up, but we are seeing these wick rejections already. So that's what we want to see. A little bit more wick rejections, and then we'll see price melt. I'll keep you guys in the loop for CAD-JPY as well, guys. So don't worry. If you're already part of the Telegram, you'll be aware. So yeah, so see how price rejected this level, double bottom. We're at the neckline right now, pushing above. So I see probably price for GBP-JPY to come back up to the highs of this range. But we're, in the meantime, short term, we're still stuck in this range. All right. All right, we've got Amir. Thank you for the confirmation, Pedro. Understood the US 30 analysis as well. Thanks. Hey, that's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to provide you guys as much value as possible, guys. I'm here to support you as well and motivate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Awesome. We got a couple new members joining us, joining the family, guys. If you guys are looking to take your trading to whole new levels, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. That is it for this morning. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. I know we have a couple more people joining, but if you missed out, don't worry. Make sure you just join the family. And to be notified, I am here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Also join our Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. We have a free Telegram group. I will put the link in the chat box below. Thank you so much, guys. We had 2 good trades today in our live stream, so make sure you guys don't miss out next time. Let's kill it, guys. Kill it in the markets. And thank you so much for joining, and I will catch you guys until next time. Bye for now.